we are back with another hair tutorial. Today we're doing some jumbo twists. Very simple, very cute. So come on, let's go. So of course we're going to start off the hairstyle with taking out the old hairstyle, and then we're going to give our hair a nice meated shampoo. I'm going to shampoo it 3 times and then give it a deep condition, because I had these twisting for well over a month. Y'all seen it in my last video when I did them. So we're just gonna go ahead and take care of that, and then we'll get to the styling. Hair's all washed and deconditioned and blow dried out. We're going to be back with the styling portion. So alright y'all, I'm finally back. God knows what I was doing all that time, but we're finally back, and we're gonna go ahead and start by parting my hair down the middle. Once I feel like it's in the middle, then I'm going to attempt to clean up my parts with this braiding gel right here. Now I say attempt because I'm over here trying to do this with 2 mirrors, and I'm doing the best I can. Again, I'm not the best parter, but look, it's still gonna come out crude. Okay, so yeah, that looks good. That looks good. It's not super perfect, but it's good. But anywho, I'm going to first show you how I started doing, which to me is the wrong way. Might not be the wrong way to others, but I didn't like the way this first twist came out. So you see I put the Shining Jam on there, which I feel like I should have put the moisturizing gel on there. But that's what I started to do after this. And then I followed up with the hair, I think that was the braiding gel, and then I combed it in. And then for some reason I felt like I didn't want to crochet it in at first. I felt like, nah, I'm gonna just go ahead and just put the hair in the middle. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm splitting it in half, and then I'm gonna put the braid in here in the middle. So just watch what I'm doing. It's a mess. probably thinking like, it looked fine to me. Well, to me, I didn't like it because it wasn't tight enough for me. If you're somebody who don't want it tight, then you do it like that. But I just continued to twist down because I wasn't taking it out. And as you twist down, you have to make sure that you are putting product on your hair and the braiding hair, and you're twisting the hair and then crossing over. You'll see it again. I'll explain it again, but we're just going to watch me just do this first one. Okay, so now onto the front. I'm going to go ahead and section off my sideburns and any edges that I want out. And I'm going to show you how I feel like it should be done. We're going to go ahead and part our hair down. I believe in the front I only have 3 twists on each side of my head. I have 11 total, but 3 for each one of these front pieces. So anywho, I said front pieces, I mean front sections. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to go ahead and just split this, make this into a section or a twist box, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to show you how we do it the right way. Once you moisturize your hair and slick it down with the Shining Jam and the braiding gel, go ahead and rubber band it up, get your crochet hook, put it through, grab your braiding hair, twist it, put it in the hook, close it, pull it through, and I promise you, the results by doing it this way is so much better. This just came out so much better, and it's not all extra loose or anything. It's not super tight, but it's not loose either like how the first method was. So for the twist down part, we're going to grab our natural hair, split it into 2. We're going to put Shining Jam on one side first. Excuse me. We're going to put the Shining Jam on there on one side, twist it, and then cross over. And then on the other section that you crossed over, go ahead and put Shine and Jam on that, twist it, and cross over. And just continue with that same method all the way down till you get to the end of your natural hair. I feel like focusing on one section at a time just makes it that much easier. Now, feeding the hair in with twist is super simple. You're just grabbing a piece of hair and just laying it on top, or in this case, in the back, and just adding each leg on each side. But what I'm doing is instead of using Shine and Jam, I'm using the braiding gel for this part. Putting braiding gel on it, twisting it, and then crossing over. Putting braiding gel again on the other side, twisting it, and then crossing over. Now what that does is that it blends your natural hair and the braiding hair effortlessly. Once you get down to the end, you want to split the hair into 3 pieces, 3 legs, and you just want to braid it just so that way your twist won't unravel. Put a little mousse on it, wrap it up on whatever you're using. In my case, I'm using a Flexi Rod, and just forget about it. Now, the last minute, I decided I wanted some curly pieces hanging out. So I had some hair, I don't know what you call this, wet and wavy hair left from something else. And you basically want to add it in the same way you did, but just don't add the other leg to the other side. Just one leg is added. And then the other leg, you just want to go ahead and clip out the way like you see me doing here. I'm going to clip it out the way. And you see I have 2 legs in my right hand. I'm just going to go ahead and twist and add product like we've been doing and crossing over. And you're going to just do that all the way till you get to the end. Then split your legs into 3. Braid it down a little bit. Add mousse. Wrap it onto a Flexi Rod. And forget about it. If you want to dip your hair, you can. If you don't, you don't have to. In my case, I still dipped it anyway, but you really don't have to. Oh, here I'm just adding more hair. Doing the same thing. Look, add it in the back. Add each leg on each side. Twist. Add product. Twist. Cross over. And it's that simple. myself. Yes, look. So pretty. Like I said, I have 11 total twists. This is how long they are on me. And I'm telling you, very cute, very simple. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.